I welcome you to Belly Good Trivia Challenge question. I'm your host for today. My name is Ryan Stabile, your med student that shines. So for today, yung mechanics, I will be going around the campus. Then we're going to ask questions sa mga students. So, hi guys. Hi sir. What's your name?
Sandy. Cheska.
I'm Javi.
Okay.
Shaira.
Jam.
From what college are you from?
Medicine. College of Medicine.
Medicine.
Medicine din.
College of Medicine.
So before tayo mag-start, may tanong muna ako. So do you know about what is obesity?
Yeah, I think so.
You think so?
Yeah. Ano to?
Okay. So, sila yung first challengers natin for today sa Belly Good Trivia Challenge. Alam niyo ba? Alam niyo ba?
A. Lack of exercise.
Sorry, but Sandy, you're wrong. So, dahil mali ka, magkakaroon tayo ng challenge for today. Okay lang ba sa'yo?
Anong challenge?
Siyempre, kasi obesity yung topic natin. E di, mag-exercise tayo. Okay lang ba?
Yeah, kasama siya.
So, ang challenge natin for today is mag-5 jumping jacks sila. So, okay lang ba?
Siya lang mas magot eh. Team kami eh.
Ang sige. 2, 3, go. 1. What do you know about obesity?
It's pronounced obesity.
Ay, sorry. So, what? How about you?
Pag out of reach yung BMI.
Wow. Okay, can you explain what's BMI?
BMI.
Sa tama yung question, magkakaroon kayo ng prize. So, alam niyo ba yung prize natin for today?
Hindi.
Pera ba yan?
Of course, hulaan niyo magkano.
100 pesos.
$100.
Siyempre, tama si Javi kasi magkaka $100 kayo. Pero ang twist lang, kasi kung nagkamali kayo ay mag-exercise kayo, okay lang?
Sige,
Hindi
sige.
po.
True or false?
True?
Siya lang nila.
Siya lang.
True.
So what's your final answer?
True.
Sure na yan?
80%
Okay, true daw, but sorry, mali ka. So, ang challenge natin for today ay mag-high knees ka for 10 seconds. Okay lang?
5 seconds.
Ako, sige, fine. 5 seconds. 2, 3, go.
5!
So, for our last question for today,
I think D. All the above.
all the above? Sure ka na dyan?
Yeah, final answer.
Like, final na yan?
Final na final.
Sure, ayaw mag-exercise?
Ayoko.
Okay, so, ang tamang sagot dyan ay... Your turn. Well, congrats. So, here's your prize for today.
Oh! Nice.
And that's a wrap for today. So sa mga participants natin, thank you for joining the Belly Good Trivia Challenge. So sa mga viewers, I really hope na may natutunan kayo sa ating topic for today na obesity, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye guys!